What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, it means I've officially run out of content because I am filming a vlog. So today we are going to Nihahi Ridges. It's around 2 hours away from Banff in Alberta. It's currently about 8 o'clock in the morning and we've been driving for an hour. So it's also super rainy today. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, this is basically my first time hiking. I think this is a somewhat hard hike, but I think I'll be fine.
You keep on forgetting what Niagara Falls, dude.
Yeah, I hiked once at Niagara Falls, but that's like, I don't know if that counts. Anyway, I got my Red Bull. I usually never drink this stuff, but I also didn't sleep all yesterday because of this driver.
Stock cat large.
Anyway, I'll probably see you later once we actually get there, and hopefully it won't be raining as hard. Yo, is this wild animals out here?
So they're definitely tagged, dude.
Yo, Tony, go pet it. Go pet it.
No, I'm gonna get kicked by one.
Are you going out?
No.
Can we go touch it?
I'm too scared of that.
I'll do it. Actually, no, it's raining too much. Alright, we're taking a quick break to go see these. Alright, go pet it. I thought you were gonna go pet it. Alright, we've made it to, I keep forgetting what this place is called. Nihahi Ridge. Yeah, so it's still pretty rainy out here.
Can I go to the washroom?
I thought we were going anywhere. Yeah, so apparently we have to walk like 2 kilometers before the hike actually starts. Hopefully we can make it to the top today because it's really rainy and we're not sure how slippery it's gonna be, but yeah, hopefully we can get there. Also got the bear spray ready in case anything happens.
Geared up for this extremely rainy day.
Alright, so we finally made it to the beginning of the trail. We've been walking for 2 kilometers. This is, I think, the beginning. Now we got the map. So once we're out there, there's gonna be no signal. We don't have the map, so we should probably figure out where we're gonna go. During the June flood, natural hazards should be expected. This seems like it'll be fun. Let's get started. Alright, we finally hit a checkpoint after getting lost the first time. Alright, we finally made it to the trail. So it's actually super annoying to carry this bear spray around because this clip just fell off on me. I have to go get the bear spray after. Alright, never mind. Turns out I was an idiot. I just clipped it onto the wrong part. It's supposed to be the black part and not this metal chain. So I still have to carry the bear spray. Alright, so apparently this is a deer. This is the first wildlife we've seen. Not sure if you can see it from here, but I'll try to get a little bit closer. I've honestly never been so close to a wild animal. It looks pretty friendly. Alright, peace. Bye. Alright, we're about to take a snack break. Coach got some hand sanitizer. That's not food. A bag full of junk food, brownies, cookies, trail mix, and then all this protein. It's pepperoni sticks. We also have bread and a bunch of deli meats and Nutella.
Where are those?
Man, this is so sad. I just dropped my brownies on the ground. That was my food supply. Apparently we gotta like pick it up so the bears don't come and eat it. Alright, so this is getting really steep.
Then once we stop, we'll be like very cold.
That's true. Oh, it is so foggy up here.
Well, we're in the clouds, so.
We are in the clouds. Yo, make sure to get good shoes because that is the secret. Oh shit! Alright. Now it actually looks like mountains up here. Oh. Yeah, it's a pretty foggy day, so I don't even know if we can see anything once we get to the top. Oh man, I thought I was done. We're just like, yeah, there's still a lot more. You can't see it from here. It's a pretty good view. I don't know if you can see.
The false peak. There's another peak after, and that's where the ridge walk starts.
Ooh, what time is lunch?
What?
What time is it right now?
It's like 10.
Alright, we finally see some snow on the rocks. In the middle of summer. Seems are probably pretty high.
Big one, big one. You want me to use my phone?
Alright, so apparently that is not the peak. I thought that would be the peak. Oh, guess I gotta keep going. Man, there's so much snow here now. It's also really cold. How do you call this? This is like going straight up.
What are you doing?
Be a break.
No, 5
We are
minutes?
taking a break.
No, just get
A
water.
long break.
Oh, dude, there's a tie.
And it's getting so steep, it's definitely an all fours kind of thing. You have to use your hands. I didn't bring any gloves, so I think gloves would be really important too. I think we're almost there. Alright, so we went the wrong way. This is not a trail, this is a safety hazard. We just went in the middle of nowhere in the mountains. We are very lost. I already fell on my ass once and slid down. Oh, luckily I'm not actually injured, but like my pants are all, I don't know.
I mean, we're pretty
Ooh.
close. Like the
Hopefully
peak is
find a
that
way.
Yeah. If we just keep on going that way, like even.
Alright, so apparently we are back on track, but we have to climb this?
Here, it's kind of sketchy because the rocks are wet, but let's watch and enjoy Forrest get his way up. Come on, Forrest, believe in yourself. Do it for the fans.
I won't have any fans if I die.
Don't worry, we'll be your fans. All right, look at him, look at him. It's easy.
Holy crap, that was the scariest thing I've ever done. I've never gone rock climbing. So I'm just happy I'm still here. Apparently, we're on the right track because... Oh, we are! We're almost there. Whatever you do, make sure you bring gloves because climbing is so cold. My hands are freezing. So is my ass. Okay, so I'm cramping up. My ass is dying, my hands are frozen, and it's just getting harder. I love it. Oh, it gets even more dangerous up there because it's a ridge. And then, I don't know how we're going down. This is definitely like the most dangerous thing I've done in a very long time. Yes, I'm very cold. Alright, so this is getting way too narrow. So I think I'm gonna call it. And if these guys make it back, I'll go down with them. Yo, so I actually made it past that really hard part. That thing over there. Where I felt like I was gonna fall off all the time. Yo, I really wanna call it a day. I don't know, I'm gonna go back down. I don't even know if I can post this video. Because I won't be there to post it. Yo, Darren, if I die, post all this for me. Alright, so I think that's basically the peak where Tony is at the really top. That really faint shadow. Like I'm basically at the same spot. Well, I don't want to move up anymore because my legs are shaking so much. But it's also so cold and I can't stand. So this must be what it feels like to freeze at the top of the mountain. I don't even want to think about going down. I hope there's like, we should just call a helicopter. Yeah, I'm down to pay thousands of dollars. Just get a helicopter, go back down. Alright, so the boys are coming back. They're coming back for me. It looks like they're still alive. Why did I agree to go on the mountain? Like, who climbs the mountain for no reason? Alright, so we made it down most of the dangerous parts. We're gonna eat some sandwiches right now. Alright, it's my first time making a sandwich in the mountains. I've never eaten in such a weird spot.
That's weird.
It's pretty weird, but it tastes really good. Alright, so we made it down. We still have 2 more kilometers, so this is just a paved trail. Alright, so we made it back to the car. It's right there. Actually, the way back down was a lot easier than I expected. I thought that I would definitely slip, but there was only a few parts in the beginning where it was really difficult climbing, but the rest was actually really chill and not as tiring as I thought. So yeah, that's my first hiking experience. I think the hardest part was definitely at the really top, where I was really afraid of heights and then my legs started trembling and they both cramped. And I couldn't quite finish the last 50 meters, but I'm going to count this one as a complete. And apparently this is just a warm-up for the rest of the week, so hopefully I make it through the week. And if I make everything back, I might make more videos. Maybe. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.